is an unfortunate reality that Americans pay some of the highest prices for their pharmaceutical drugs than anywhere else in the world, and our Medicare enrollees really bear the brunt of that. So everything that we can do to lower the cost of prescription drugs is important. I have worked on the Fair Pricing Act, which would require pharmaceutical manufacturers to justify the cost increases that we see. I have worked in other drug pricing reduction initiatives to make sure that we are lowering the costs for all. In the Inflation Reduction Act that was just passed and enacted into law, I think it's important to know there wasn't a one silver bullet. It is good to know that we have capped the cost of insulin to Medicare users. We need to do more to cap the costs of insulin for all users. I was a supporter of that. I support the out-of-pocket caps on out-of-pocket spending, but there's more that must be done.
Prescription drug prices have grown exponentially in the past few years. I don't know the reason for this, but I think it's very vital that we figure out how to fix it. Fortunately, the Inflation Reduction Act is going to help Medicare recipients to pay lower prices. First of all, they're going to cap the amount that people need to spend in a year up to $2,000. Secondly, starting in 2026, they're going to negotiate better prices for the top 10 drugs, and then 15, and then 20, and that's going to help Medicare patients. Unfortunately, that is not going to help everyone in America, but hopefully it will be a step forward in finding ways to lower drug prices for all Americans.
I will always stand with our seniors against Big Pharma trying to drive up their drug prices. Medicare needs to be able to negotiate prescription drugs directly with the drug companies to lower the costs. And the government can help to get generic drugs to market quicker, and also to safely import low-cost drugs from other countries. As senator, I can also help with nominees. President Biden just recently put an FDA commissioner in place who is in the pocket of Big Pharma. Both Joe Manchin and Bernie Sanders opposed him because they said he could not independently regulate the industry because of his ties to Big Pharma. I also would have opposed this Commissioner Robert Califf. Those are the things we can do to help keep prescription drug costs low.